Vanakkam. This is the most important word in Tamil. It is a respectful greeting used at any time of day. When we say Vanakkam, we often place our palms together, acknowledging the soul within the other person. Let us practice Vanakkam, the art of addressing others. In Tamil culture, we use family terms to show warmth. Use Anna for an elder brother or Akka for an elder sister. For younger males, use Thambi. This creates an immediate bond of community even with people you have just met. Visiting a Tamil home. If you are invited to a home, you will hear Veetukku vaanga. Please come inside. A key etiquette tip: always remove your footwear before entering. This is a sign of respect for the cleanliness and sanctity of the household. Respectful inquiries. Showing interest in others is vital. Instead of just hello, ask Nalamaa, meaning are you well, or எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள், for how are you. In our culture, asking about someone's well-being is a sign of true care. Accepting and offering food. Hospitality is our pride. If offered food or water, it is polite to accept at least a little. Use the word சாப்பிடுங்கள் to invite others to eat. Sharing a meal is the fastest way to build a lasting friendship in Tamil Nadu. Expressing sincere gratitude. Gratitude is a bridge between hearts. Mikka Nandri means thank you very much. For corporate professionals working with Indian teams, using this phrase shows you value the relationship as much as the work. Offering apologies correctively. We all make mistakes. To apologize or interrupt politely, say Mannikkavum. It is a formal and sincere way to say please forgive me or I am sorry. It shows great character and humility. The polite suffix. To make any request respectful, we add the inga sound. Instead of va for come, say vaanga. This honorific style is what we call polite Tamil. It is essential when speaking to elders or in professional settings. The meaningful farewell. In Tamil, we never say a final goodbye. Instead, we say Poi-tu, Va-ren, which literally means I will go and come back. It is a beautiful promise that our connection will continue in the future. Your path to mastery. Ready to dive deeper into Tamil history and language? As a Preply Super Tutor, I offer systematic and thorough lessons tailored to your goals. Join me on this journey. Book your session today. God bless.